Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will discuss question number 7, exercise 4.4. Basically, question number 7, main naifend karna hai, 4 fourth roots. Let's see. Question number 7. Given that 4 fourth roots of 16, 81, and 625. First part ko solve kriti hain. We have to find 4 fourth roots of 16. Suppose care ledi hain. XB 4 fourth 16. This means it's x is equal to 16 whole power 1 by 4. Then 4 taking power. 4 power 1 by 4 both sides. X power 4 is equal to 16 power 1 by 4. 1 by 4, 1 by 4. Whole power 4, then 4 power 1 by 4 side. Multiply hoji, just 16. Next, right term ko, side pay lay jj. 16 ko, 2 power 4. Bilix tihain, because kehain both are same. Then we apply this formula on this. After applying formula, it will become as we can write terms separately. Separation 1, that is equation 1, and that is equation 2. Equation 1 ko, solve kriti hain, x square minus 2 square, taking square root. It will become x is equal to plus minus 2, that is roots of equation 1 equation. Next solve equation 2. It solves same like equation 1. After simplifying, x is equal to a stirred minus 2 iota, that is roots of a equation 2, hence plus minus 2 and plus minus 2 iota are 4 fourth roots of 16. Second part ko solve kriti hain. Let's see. Question number 7, part 2. Given that find 4 fourth roots of 81, we have to find 4 fourth roots of 81. Suppose care ledi hain. XB 4 fourth 81. It's mean x is equal to 81 whole power 1 by 4. Then taking power, and on both sides, then it will x power 4 is equal to 81 power 1 by 4 whole power 4. Then or multiple with 4 power 1 by 4. Then just remain 81 1. Next, right term ko, left side pay shift cry 81 ko. K 3 power 4 b leaks tihain, both are same. Does he then apply this formula? We apply this formula on this. After applying formula, it will become as here we can write terms separately. That is equation 1, and that is equation 2. Equation 1 ko, solve kriti hain, minus 3 square is equal to 0, taking square root. It will become x is equal to 2 plus minus 3 hain, that is roots of minus equation 1. Next solve equation 2. It solves same like equation 1. After simplifying, you will get x is equal to time plus minus 3 iota, that is roots of equation 2, hence plus minus 3 and plus minus 3 iota are 4 fourth roots. Third part ko solve kriti hain. Let's see. Question number 7, part 3. Given that find 4/4 roots of 625 we have to find. 4/4 25 roots of 625. Let ter lidi hain. Ek 4/4 roots of 625, it's mean x is equal to 625 whole power 1/4. Then, equal to taking power. 4 on both sides. Then it will become x power 4 is equal to 625 power 1/4, whole power by 4. Then 4 power multiple 4 power 1/4. Then just remains 625. Next, right term, cuffed, left side pay, shift, cry, 62025 ko, 5/4, Belix Kahane, because both are same. We apply this formula on this. After applying formula, it will become as we can write terms separately. That is equation 1, and that is equation 2. Equation 1 ko solved Kriti Hain minus 5 square is equal to 0. Taking square root, it will become x is equal to plus minus 5. That is roots of like equation 1 equation. Equation 2, it solves same like equation 1. After simplifying, you will get x is equal to Uling plus minus 5 iota. That is roots of equation 2. Hence, plus minus 5 and plus minus 5 iota are 4/4 roots of 625.